Jay is already like snobbing his nose up at our accommodations because I have us at the Hampton. He's like Hampton Inn. It don't say Inn, it say Hampton. Get your butt in here. This looks beautiful. Stop playing. Hi.
You checking in?
Yes.
Thank you for confirming,
So
please.
whatever. This is our room, y'all. Yeah, I don't care what Jay said. People make the experience. Michelle was helping us downstairs. She gave us so much good information. Warm,
And they got a
welcoming.
24-hour kitchen here.
Yep. Don't hate. Do not hate. So let's go into our room and see if Jay is impressed with our Hampton room. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Stop playing with me. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, the door stayed open. Come on in, baby. All right, y'all. This is our room. What I like is it's bright. It has light. So it smells good. Look, these carpets aren't cringy. Them other carpets, I guess because they were dark. Like everything was so dark. So this is carpet too, but it gives you like it feels cleaner. Our TV, our little desk. We got a nice big bright window. I love the paint color. There's a crack in the wall. It got shears in a blackout curtain. There we go. Oh, here's our view, y'all. Don't mind. Oh, look at the train station, babe. Yeah, this thing took us. Well, I guess we couldn't walk this way because they are kind of doing some work. But look at this. Yeah, this is gorge. And then let's go see the bathroom, guys. We have this frosted window to the bathroom. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm loving the shower already. You don't have the cringy curtain. Not sure if this is all going to end up wet because of the way the shower is. Sometimes you'll find that that's the situation.
Yeah, but yeah, that's what you have to do.
Yeah. So there you have it. I like.
For free?
For free. Also, another hotel we booked for free. We used points, and that's what I was trying to tell Jay. I wasn't going to use all of our points staying at a higher end Hilton when I was making the point stretch for all these trips we're going on. Because we're still staying at another Hilton property in Dublin. Good morning, Belfast. So it's time for breakfast. We are staying at a Hilton property, our favorite, since we're Diamond members. And this is what the breakfast is right now. What we can do. Oh, vegetarian sausage. Doesn't that look interesting? And of course, breakfast ain't breakfast without the infamous waffle station. Should have known Jay was getting his waffle on that he about to share. Ooh. All right, y'all. A proper English Irish breakfast. Now, no, we got to have the beans. We got to have the beans. And also love the fact that we have wrapped muffins. Y'all know we gotta grab the snacks for later. Those are our snacks for later. Also, I need to go back in there at some point and see what kind of fruit they have. So cool. I don't know if I showed y'all here, but let me see if I could like do a quick glance. Look at this. Y'all will see it again later, but yeah. Love the vibes. Love the vibes. Okay, y'all. So you know how we do. We do the review first when we get here, and then we come back after we get here and tell you what we think. This one was solid. I like it. Guys, so you see we got the shares. I think I showed, well, in another review, I was saying that one of the negative things, it didn't have shares, right?
And there you go. Give you some shit.
Yeah, but it had the share place for the share, but they was broken off. This was in Scotland, in Edinburgh. And this is why. Look at how bright this is with the shares. Look how bright this room is. And we have this one closed. I love some good light. So if we open this one, like this room gets lots of light. Love that for us. Even with the shares.
The lights on right now.
Exactly, the lights are off. So look at this. So this is why a good share will diffuse the light. So that is beautiful, especially when you're first waking up. But we can go ahead and open this. Now, this view, right now, it doesn't seem like nothing to write home about. Way out there is. That's absolutely gorgeous. But as you can see, this is the Grand Central Station, the bus and train station right here. Once they finish doing whatever they're doing right here, you can tell that that's going to be gorgeous as well. And you can see right here, there's this tunnel. It says Great Victoria Street. So what that is that when all of that construction is done, or even before they tore it down, that was a nice walkway that you can walk from the train station to Victoria Street to the mall. There's a mall that's connected to the Europa Hotel. So it was just a nice, easy way to walk. But look, you can see this. Now, I don't know what this housing tenement is here. But back home, y'all know those look like the projects, right? I'm not saying it's the projects. I'm just saying back home, it looked like some of our projects look like that, our housing projects. I'm not trying to offend y'all. But y'all know, I be keeping it all the way real. Oh, I don't know what that is way over there, baby. It's like a dome structure. That seems pretty interesting. Anyways, this view was great. We have a corner room. This couch was absolutely wonderful. And it is a sleeping couch. So if you needed to pull it out to sleep, you could do that. We didn't have to do any of that, obviously. Plenty of lights, plenty of ways to plug up and charge your devices on both sides of the bed. Right here, we just discovered this morning. Well, I did. Yeah, Jay did. Jay Ben knew. But this is your safe right there, so that's pretty cool. Over here, you have your light, and you have a place to sit and do your makeup if need be. What I also appreciate, as you can see, the bar will provide a pitcher of water, ice, or whatever, glasses, even though there's some glasses and such right there. So you'll never be thirsty, nor do you have to go out and buy water. So that was cool. Again, lots of places to plug things up. We take these from the breakfast bar as well. Love that they're packaged up like this, but that's going to help us on our bus trip. And so there's a tea kettle, coffee bar station, and we didn't watch TV. Luggage rack. That's that side of the bed. This right here, because this room, I don't know, it was getting warm. I guess because Jay kept turning the heat
cold.
up.
Remember that first night that you put it down?
Yeah,
I put it down
yeah.
all the way. That thing was freezing at one point.
For real?
Yeah.
This room?
Yeah, it was cold.
Oh, I thought that was the last room that it did that. I don't think he remembers. And then this is the door to the bathroom, the slide-in door, right? And on this side of the door, I know I didn't show y'all this, is the closet with your ironing board and your iron, which is very important to the likes of Jay. And then again, your full-length mirror. Now, the only thing I would say about the bathroom was the tub was great. The water didn't splash out the way I thought it would, but our tub had like a slow drain. So there was that. It was like a slow drain in the tub. So that was a little inconvenient. But other than that, everything else in here was pretty good. And then you have this right here if you wanted to do your little door jammer thing. So that's cool. Yeah. But I really enjoyed this room. So we leave today and we'll be going to our next hotel. And I enjoyed this hotel. Let me tell you something else. The food, because we ate here, not just breakfast. The breakfast was good. We liked it. But also we ate here last night for dinner because we were tired, too tired to go anywhere else. The food was really good. And the drinks were really good at the bar. I suggest I forgot the name of that drink I had. Babe, do you remember the name of the drink I had last night?
Spring.
Yeah, it was like spring something. Yeah, it was good. It was so good. But yeah, so that's our review of the hotel after the stay. This is room 702. 702. All of the 02s, like the 502, 602, they're all going to be corner rooms. So, and I think the corner rooms, I think that they might be a little bigger. But that was nice. And then also, this is the other thing I kind of like too. This window is so big that it could be like a little sitting thing. You can move a cushion from the couch over here, and you can actually just kind of post up in the window if you want and just, meditate, listen to stuff, write, read. So I like that too. Look way out into the distance and look at that view out there. Love it. Love it. Can't wait to go see what Dublin brings.